The most common causes of clogged sink drain are a buildup of food particles, fat, oils, hair, dirt, and improper garbage disposal. The initial problem is usually slow drainage. If not resolved, the water will begin to back up and eventually drainage may stop altogether. It's important to note that once drainage problems have begun, they will usually only get worse over time unless action is taken. The sooner that you deal with the problem, the easier it can be to resolve. Most clogs ultimately get cleared with a proper plunging, but you can first try an easy hot water trick. All you'll need is hot water and salt. After removing standing water from the sink, pour about half cup of salt down the drain and wait for it to go down. Put a kettle on or use the stove or microwave if you don't own a kettle and boil up as much water as it will hold. Now pour it slowly down the drain in 2 to 3 stages, allowing the hot water to work for several seconds in between each pour. The hot water will melt the fat buildup in the pipes. The salt scratchy texture will help remove any leftover fat. Dish detergent and hot water. Another great natural way to unclog your slow drain is to use dish detergent and hot water. If the clog is caused by grease, this method will work very well. Squirt a good amount of dish detergent down your clogged drain. Then pour a pan or kettle full of boiling water down the drain. This should take care of any greasy clogs in your drain. If the buildup is being caused by pieces of food, then it is better to unclog it manually. Try that after pouring the hot water down the sink to remove any stray pieces of food. Caution: do not use boiling water if you have plastic PVC pipes, since water hotter than 175 Fahrenheit can soften some types of PVC pipes. On your stove, boil the water in a large pot or tea kettle. Carefully carry it over to the clogged sink. When you pour hot water down the drain, keep your face back to avoid steam burns. If you like our video, give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. If you have any question about this video, leave it to comment box. We will try to respond as soon as possible. For more health tips and recipes, subscribe to our channel.